Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Love Adventure. Today I came up with a new recipe and I named it fried rice with hot twist. As you go on, you will know why I named hot twist. Here I took chopped garlic, cube-sized onion, green chili, sliced carrots, peas, shrimp, broccoli florets, eggs, lemon and cooked rice. For condiments, I only need salt, black pepper and my special ingredient why I said twist earlier is 1 pouch of sazòn goya. You also need soy sauce, I took the low sodium one, and sesame oil. You can adjust the quantity according to your taste, and if you don't have any of the ingredients, you can always replace with something else or just simply skip it. Sazón seasoning is a type of seasoned salt found in Spanish and Mexican markets. The seasoning is used on meats, fish, poultry, and even to flavor soups and stews. Sazón contains ground coriander, ground cumin, ground annatto seeds, garlic powder, kosher salt, oregano, ground black pepper, and ground cilantro. It also contains salt, so you have to adjust your regular salt. It also gives beautiful red color to your favorite dish. Fried rice with hot twist is ready. Do make it at home and let me know how it came up in the comment box. And if you like it, please click like button and share. Thanks for watching.